Hi, students, how are you? Hope everybody is safe and fine. Yeah, this is Omar Farooq and maths teacher of mathematics, and you're watching my YouTube channel, as you know, Maths with Omar. Today we are going to see, actually in this series we are seeing the grade 9 NCERT textbook solutions of the first chapter, number systems, right? So we have seen till exercise, we have seen exercise 1, 2, and we are going to complete exercise number 3. I hope we have completed till fifth question, and yes, let us go for sixth and seventh question in exercise 3, chapter number 1, number system. Okay, so the sixth question, the fifth and sixth question. Yes, I have seen the fifth and sixth question. Before going to the question, I just want to tell you, we have segregated decimals into differentiated into 3 types. One is terminating decimal, that means it never continues, you have the remainder 0, and the other 2 are decimals where you will not get any remainder. So those 2 are non-terminating, those are called as non-terminating. And if the decimal part moves on and the decimal part keeps on recurring, it is called as recurring decimal, non-terminating and recurring decimal. And the other one, it is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Okay, that means it never repeats nor it never stops. Example, you know, pi, root 3, root 5, root 2 even. Yes. Now let us see, I will tell you today, I am going to tell you one thing. We get terminating decimal when we have certain denominator, certain digits in the denominator, and we get non-terminating when we have certain digits in the denominator. Let us see. So if you have denominators as 2, 4, 5 and 8, 10. Yeah, if you have 2, 4, 5, 8 and 10 in the denominator, okay, not only these numbers, if you have any denominator and if you prime factor it, and if the prime factors are 2, 4, 5, 8 or 10, or when you prime factor you will get only 2 and 5. If you have prime factors as 2 and 5, then you will get a terminating decimal. That means you will not get non-terminating. And if you have the denominators as 3 and 7, you have non-terminating decimal. It can be recurring sometimes and it can be non-recurring. For example, let us see whatever number you can tell me, any number. Yeah, you can have 35 divided by 8. Okay, let us divide 35 and 8. 8 4s 32 and remainder is 3. The point 0. 8 and 30 how many times? 8 3s 24, right? 8 3s are 24 and remainder is 6. And what is 6? Yes, already you have decimal, you put 0. So 8 in 67 times. 8 7s 56. The remainder is 4. And already you have decimal, so you can get 0. So 8 in 40. 8 5s 40. So see, here you got remainder 0 and the result you have is 4.375, which is a terminating. See, when you divide. And you know, when you divide with 10, yes, you can have a terminating decimal because just the decimal moves to left hand side. Okay, and the same with 5, yes, 5 also and 2 also and 4 even, because so what is the main concept? If you have any denominator and if you change the denominator into prime factors, and if you have only 2 and 5 as the prime factors, then the decimal will be terminating, otherwise it will be non-terminating. Fine, I hope you understood, and let us go for the problems, what they are telling about the problems. So yes, can anybody read out the problem? Okay, I will read out for you. So what can the maximum number, sorry, look at several examples of rational numbers in the form of p by q. We have seen, so where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations. Can you guess what property q must have? Q means denominator. The same thing what I have told. Q should have the denominators 2, 4, 5, 8 or 10, or in other words, you can say that the if you prime factorize the denominator, it should contain only 2 and 5 as the prime factors. So then you will have a terminating decimal. So seventh question, when we go, write three numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating and non-recurring. See, you take any number. For example, 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 8 I have taken because it is terminating decimal. When you divide with 8, you will get a terminating decimal. Come on, let us divide 3 with 8, and this is point and 0, 8 3s 24, 6 0, 8 7s 56, and 4 0, 8 5s 40. Is it right? So the answer is 0.375. Let us take another fraction. You can take anything. Okay. For example, okay, 11 by, what is that? Your wish, 11 by 7. Okay. So let us do 7 and 11. 7 ones 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. And 0.075 is 35. The remainder is 5. 0. 7 sevens 49. 1. And then already you have decimal. You put point. 7 ones 7. 3 and so on. We have studied that when you have denominator as 7, it will be non-terminating decimal and non-repeating. So the answer for 11 by 7 equals 1.571 so on. So you have to write 3 non-recurring and non-terminating decimals between these two. So let us go for the first decimal place. It is here, tenths. So in tenths you have 0.3 and here you have 1.5. So now you write any 3 decimals which are non-repeating and non-terminating fashion. Yes, you can write. For example, it should be between 0.3 and 1.5, right? Basically, it should be between 0.3 and 1.5. You can take as you wish. So I am taking 0.71, 711, 7111, 71111. So it is a pattern which is not repeating. See, if it is repeating, if it should be 71717171, but it is not repeating. 0.71, 711, 7111. You can write infinite. So like this, how many numbers you can write? You can write n number of numbers. That means infinite numbers you can write. Infinite rational numbers between any given 2 numbers. So I will take it as one more 1.12, 122, 1222, 12222, so on. So it is one of the non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. In the same way, I will take it as 1.40, 400, 4000, 4000, so on. Okay. So these are the numbers between any two numbers. These are the 3 non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. So you have to remember the concept. Whenever the denominator has the prime factors as 2 and 5, you get a terminating decimal. and when you have other than that, you get a non-terminating. You can get non-recurring as well as recurring decimals. Okay, fine. Let us go to the next problem of the same kind. They are asking, find the different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. See, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So divide 5 with 7. See, when you divide with 7, you get non-terminating and non-recurring. So okay, let us go. 7.0, 7 sevens 49, 1, 7 1 7, 3, and the 7, yeah, 7 4s 28, 2, and 7 2s 14, 6, and 7 8s 56, 4, and 7, how many times? 7 5s 35, 5, that means 7 7s 49, 1, and from this part it is recurring. Okay, that equals 0.714287. As we said, sometimes we get recurring as well as non-recurring when we divide. Now let us see when we divide 9 with 11. Okay, yes, 9 when we divide with 11, 0, 11 8, 88, 2, and already we have point, so 11 ones 11, the remainder is 9, and 11 8, 88, 2, 0, 11, how many times? 11 ones 11, and it's 9, so it's repeating. So it can be 0.818181, so on. So you can write it as 0.81 bar. Okay, so when you so now you have to find the 3 irrational numbers. You have to find out 3 irrational numbers between these two. Let us see the first decimal parts, 0.7, 0.8. So next let us see 0.71 and 0.81. So what can be the 3 irrational numbers which you can write? The first one, I can write it as 0.75, 755, 7555, 75555, so on. Okay, and next one, 0.799, 7999, 79999. So that means no pattern is repeating. We have to make sure. So then 0.80, 800, 8000, so on. Okay, these 3 are the irrational numbers which we find it. So in this video, what is the concept we have studied? We have studied that whenever the denominator is a prime factor of only 2 and 5, then you get terminating decimals. And if you don't have other than this, other than 2 and 5, if you get any other number, then you get non-terminating, sometimes repeating and sometimes non-repeating. So hope you understand the concept. So this is the concept which you have to remember it. So let us meet in the next video to see the last problem of exercise 3. Hope you understand the concept. Please share, subscribe, and even press the bell icon to get the notifications of new video whenever I upload. Thank you. Stay safe.